Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure Mac OS and firmware are up to date. Updates enable battery management features. Once done, sign in with an admin account and plug your USB-C charger into the MacBook. Next, open System Settings and navigate to Battery. This is where you control charging behavior. You set a target. Stop charging at 80%. Make sure the MacBook is not in low power or clamshell modes because those change charging logic. Now move to enable the settings that enforce the 80% cap. You go deeper into battery health and enable optimized charging to let Mac OS learn your usage. This delays full charging. If your Mac OS offers a direct 80% option, select it. If not, install a reputable third-party utility that supports charge thresholds or create a shortcuts automation to disconnect charging at 80%. Make sure the utility is allowed in security and privacy. While configuring, verify the tool runs at login and that power adapter detection is enabled, because the system must know when to pause charging. You finish by testing. Drain the battery near 30% and charge to confirm it stops at 80%. If it works, leave the utility active and monitor for a few cycles so the system learns. If charging ignores the limit, reboot into safe mode and reset the SMC. This often clears charging control issues. Also check adapter firmware and app permissions in security and privacy. One key troubleshooting tip. If the Mac is in clamshell or using USB power delivery quirks, disconnect external displays or hubs and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.